8 income-generating sources. Employment. This is the most common and traditional source of income generation. It involves working for an organization or company and receiving regular wages or salaries. Entrepreneurship. Starting a business is another source of income generation. Entrepreneurs can start businesses in various fields such as manufacturing, retail, services, or technology, and earn profits from their business operations. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering services to clients on a project basis, usually remotely. Freelancers can offer their skills in areas such as writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and more. Investments. Investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or other assets can generate passive income through dividends, interest, rental income, or capital gains. Rental income. Rental income can be generated by renting out property such as apartments, houses, or commercial spaces. This can provide a regular source of income for property owners. Royalties. Royalties are payments made to owners of intellectual property such as patents, copyrights, or trademarks. Royalties can be earned from licensing the use of these intellectual properties to others. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through the affiliate's unique referral link. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses can provide a source of passive income for instructors. Online courses can be created in various fields such as business, finance, technology, or creative arts.